Hi guys, I'm here with Nicole Williams English, model, entrepreneur, influencer, and today our very own personal chef. What are you making for us?
So today I'm gonna make Beyond Meat sausages, full vegan, fast, 6-minute meal.
6 minutes, yeah. That's incredible.
That's it.
I'm so excited to try these. Do you find that people are often tricked into eating vegan when you make these?
I do, because sometimes if they haven't tried it, like Larry's mom, I made her have one and she had no clue. She's like, this is the best sausage ever. I'm like, well, it's pea protein, there's no meat in it.
That's awesome.
Her mind was blown.
That's
it's
so
delicious
great.
And it tastes way better than meat.
I'm so excited to try it. Yep. Perfect, let's get started.
Okay. So I'm gonna put some oil on the pan so it doesn't stick.
Okay.
These are supposed to be non-stick pans, but you just never know.
Kind of hypnotizing.
I know, right? So I put it on high at first, and then once I start flipping them, they start getting a little blackened, then I turn it down low. I've been vegetarian for 7 years.
Okay.
The reason why I stopped eating meat to begin with was compassion for animals.
Yeah.
And yeah, but the more and more vegan options that come out, the more and more I'm leaning towards like I could do this.
Totally.
This is easy. I try to cook as many vegan meals and like learn and like keep myself more, up to date on certain vegan recipes and have Larry test them and my friends come over and test them.
That's great.
Yeah.
And is Larry vegan as well, vegetarian?
Larry is pescatarian.
Okay.
So I got him away from meat. I got him
you.
away from red meat first, and then he stopped eating chicken. And now I tried to get him to eat vegan with me. We both tried it.
Yeah.
And then he just couldn't do it, so he eats fish.
Baby steps.
Baby steps, I know.
Yeah. What was the process for you to become vegetarian?
I actually tried being vegetarian for the first time when I was like 16.
Okay.
And I had a hard time at that age supplementing like all the things that I needed. Everything to keep me feeling like healthy. A lot of people do think that if you don't eat, like you'll faint, die. Like, how do I survive?
Yeah.
It's the end of the world. And now I'm almost a pro. So I like to get them even. I'm really crazy about that. Like if one side's blacker than the other, like I like sit here and spin them and Larry goes crazy. He's like,
Type
just
A
let
after
them
my
cook.
own heart. I love it.
Few things that I have a hard time with is like Sour Patch Kids, salt and vinegar chips, and a cold Coke. And no, beyond that, like I can literally eat that like every day. And pizza.
So funny.
Pizza. Well, I grew up eating a lot of fish because I'm
Okay.
from Newfoundland.
Got
So
it.
my mom was like feeding us like fish sticks
Yeah.
and fish and chips and fish.
Everything.
I think since I was 12, I haven't eaten any fish. Like I will not touch
Done
fish.
with it.
Done. I literally like, was traumatized because I ate so much fish growing up.
If you could spend a day in the kitchen with someone, who would it be?
I would say Cindy Crawford. I would love to cook with her.
Yeah.
I feel like I'd make her try these. No, I'd like to bake with her.
Yeah.
I'd like to make like a really good like red velvet cupcake and just have wine with her and talk and
Can I come?
she'd be super cool. Yeah, I love her so much.
It smells so good in here.
Oh my god, I know.
So excited to try these.
So good.
So what are your favorite toppings for this?
I love pepperoncinis. So
Yum.
I do pepperoncinis, ketchup, mustard, and onions.
Fancy.
Yeah, you always want to get like the thick buns because these sausages are so big. I tried to use just like regular hot dog buns, but it's just
Smart.
all the toppings and stuff. It's too much.
Did you always know how to cook, or was it something that as you got older you just kind of got an interest in?
Yeah, my dad was a chef actually.
Oh, no
so,
way.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So
So he taught me how to cook, and he taught me a lot of other things growing up, like how to make bread. Like he'd be making loaves of bread.
That's amazing.
I remember from my childhood waking up and smelling like fresh bread.
That's the dream.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Okay, should we top them?
Yeah. So do you want to do yours? 'Cause
Yeah.
What do you like?
I love jalapenos, so I'm probably gonna use some of those.
Okay.
But sparingly because they can get a little strong.
I know. I love jalapenos. I literally have like six
I
jars
get a
in the
little
fridge.
carried away at times.
Do you like jalapenos on your nachos?
I don't think I've ever had that.
Oh my god, it's so
I'm missing out.
good. Like tons of them.
Oh my gosh.
I ask for extra and it's never enough. I'm like, no, I mean extra. Like I need a bowl of them and
Wait.
they think I'm crazy.
Can we get that after this?
Yes. My favorite is onions with ketchup and mustard.
I mean, that looks incredible.
Oh,
I might
it's
copy you
so
and do a
good.
little
Try
bit more.
it. It's so good.
Okay.
So I just usually just put out a bunch of toppings, and you know, sometimes I even grill the onions and put them out depending on like how I feel that day.
Yeah.
Do I want to go the extra mile?
How much time you have?
And then I kind of just have them all around the kitchen, and they just all like throw their own toppings on.
Just get a little variety here. Do you cry when you chop the onion?
You know what? I've learned to like stay. I know like how far I have to stand back now because I used to be so bad. I used to like
so
bawl
funny.
my eyes out with them.
Have you ever seen those onion goggles?
No.
They're hilarious.
Really?
Oh my gosh, they're like these giant goggles so that you don't cry when cutting them.
No.
Yeah,
I'm
they
gonna
could
get
save
them.
you the back pain.
I'm gonna get them just to surprise
Yeah.
Larry for sure. He's gonna
Love
walk in
that.
the kitchen. I'm gonna have goggles on, and he's gonna be like, "What's going on now?" It's always something.
great.
I suck at cutting. I suck at cutting and throwing. So, ask me to throw a ball. No. You want to try? Yes. Okay.
I'm gonna try one of yours.
No, try one of mine. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so excited for you.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Let me try one of mine too.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm making a mess.
A little mess. Wait, this is amazing.
Good, right?
Oh my god.
Oh, you're nothing.
You guys have to make these. Honestly, I'm kind of shocked I haven't spilled on myself yet, but
You can be you're around your friends who you're comfortable with, like you wouldn't eat this on a first date.
yeah.
But, yeah. It makes
Hey,
a
but if
little
you
bit of a
made
mess.
this for someone on a first date, they'd probably love you.
That's very true.
Yeah,
Very true.
I would appreciate this.
So there you have it. Beyond Meat sausages.
So delicious. I can't stop eating it. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
You're welcome.
This
Thank
was
you.
so fun.
Yeah. Any chance I get to make these, it's a pleasure.
I
Really.
love it. Well, any chance I get to eat this, it's a pleasure. So thank you.
I'll come over to your house on a Sunday one day
Yes.
and make them all for you.
Perfect. I'll get you some Sour Patch Kids.
Awesome.
And Beyond Meat sausage.
And some salt and vinegar chips.
There we go. Great day. I love it.